Hey everyone, and welcome back into my world of all things jewelry. It's Jen, and you guessed it, it is Show and Tell Saturday time again. So, this is my Show and Tell Saturday series, and welcome aboard if you're new. Thank you so much for joining in. And this is the series that I do on Saturdays where I showcase anything and everything new that I am designing in terms of themed and collections of jewelry. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and joining me today. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I enjoy doing it. I get really, really excited about doing my Show and Tell Saturday series because you know why? Because it gives me true joy. You know, we don't talk a lot when I'm putting my videos up, but let me tell you guys, there is nothing that gives me better joy in my heart than knowing that the things that I'm creating and the things that I'm designing, other people like it too. And certainly for all of you out there that have such kind words of encouragement and kind commentary in all my videos, apparently you like it too. And you know, that just really fills my heart with joy. So that is why I'm just really excited every Saturday so that I can look forward to, you know, showcasing, hey guys, this is what I'm working on. And then maybe, of course, I inspire somebody out there to do something similar. Or even if you've never made jewelry, maybe this inspires you to get going on making all of your own fun, amazing, beautiful jewelry. So happy Saturday, everybody. And today is December 2nd, 2023. So the holiday season is upon us, which means next Saturday will be my holiday showcase. So we'll be doing the Show and Tell Saturday next Saturday. I'll bring out all my Christmas jewelry that I made this year. So look forward to that as well. So happy Saturday to one and all, and so glad to have you with me. So as you can see what I've got out today, you might can tell by that couple of minutes that I just spoke in the beginning, is today is all about minimalism. You know, I love minimalist jewelry. It's a very beautiful piece of art, I feel like. It's almost like artful when you can take just one bead or one charm and make it beautiful. And so minimalist is very, very popular. Many of you out there probably already know this. My fellow beaters, or if you buy a lot of jewelry and you just love watching all these jewelry channels, either way, minimalist jewelry is been on trend for some time. I believe it's going to continue on trend into 24. And it's just beautiful, understated, elegant jewelry, and just really darling jewelry. So I have pulled out a snippet, a portion of some of the minimalist jewelry that I have recently made. This is not everything, but this is just what I pulled out for today. So let's get to it. So as you can see, the common theme in minimalist jewelry is certainly chain, right? So we don't do beading wire, although you could actually if you were using some colored beading wire. But I would say it's a fair thing to say when you're dealing with minimalist jewelry and you're speaking of minimalist, you think about chain. And so that's exactly what we have going on here, including any earrings that I have put together that include a dangle. If it's not a charm, it's chain. So let's jump into it, you guys. So over here, in the furthest mannequin here, is this beautiful standalone triple 3D butterfly in gold. And that is an 18-inch, no, it's not, I'm sorry, it's 16-inch. This is a 16-inch, and that is really, really precious. It is a beautiful butterfly charm that has 3 wings on it and a little center, like a cubic zirconia little center bead there. And isn't he precious? Or she? I guess we don't know its gender. But anyway, I just put it on some beading chain. Very understated, very simplistic, minimalist in my opinion. And then in the back, a darling little tiny toggle that is in fact a double heart. Let me turn this around and get this in the camera for you guys. So that toggle, that's a double heart toggle. It's really super cute with the spacer portion of the toggle being little arrows. And so really super cute little toggle and very darling little understated butterfly. He's one of my favorites. He's so cute. Love him. Or her. Either way. So that's my butterfly. And then I'll jump over to what else I've got on the mat here. Is I've got a darling little simple 16-inch choker on, again, beading chain, and it's just a simple Southwest inspired turquoise bead embossed in like an oval frame, and it kind of has like a little design on it, and it's just a little turquoise charm, and that is on, like I said, silver beading chain, and I have a silver rope toggle on the back of that one. And now on this necklace, friends, I did make the matching earrings. I'll just let me hang one there, and so I can hold that up for you. And so really simple, and I put those just on a regular standard kidney ear wire. So that's a really cute little minimalist Southwest set, super cute. And 16 inches, as I mentioned, and beading chain. And then the next one I have is also 16 inches, and this is on oval. This is oval flat chain, so it's designed to lay flat. It's like flat, but it twists, and it doesn't matter when it twists up because it lays perfectly. And this is finished with a tiny little lobster clasp, 16-inch choker, as I just mentioned, and of course this is our crescent moon. I'll pull that up for you. Little crescent moon. I guess it's more than a crescent. I guess it's kind of a 3/4 moon, but I'm not a celestial expert. But anyway, it's just so really cute, and that's super cute. And he's attached right in the center there, so super cute little 16-inch choker. If you're into like stars and moons and wearing that kind of stuff, which I kind of like it. I definitely can get into that. And then the next one I have is also 16 inches, and it has a pretty little toggle charm here, and it's like a half flower wreath toggle, and it's on the exact same chain. And this one is a piece charm, and that's a pretty significant size. I don't know, I think it's probably, I think maybe around 18 to 22 millimeters, something like that. But it's a nice little, cute little piece charm. If you're into that sort of thing, it's kind of fun, but also minimalist. That's really pretty on that chain. It's a really pretty chain. I have to remember where I bought that chain and get some more, because I think I've about run out of it now. I've made so much minimalist jewelry. I think I've just about gotten rid of all that chain. And then to continue on with our last necklace, I'll put him back on the mannequin. He deserves the mannequin. The butterfly. The butterfly deserves the mannequin. And then to continue, our last necklace I have here, this is a double strand, as you saw it up there. And it is a similar clasp that I just showed you, a little toggle. So this is a double strand, same chain, and the inner strand is 16 inches, and the outer strand with the star, so this is a star and moon, and the outer strand is 18 inches with the star, and the inner strand is 16 inches with the half moon, or 3/4 moon. And so that's really pretty. And the star, I'll pull that up there. It's just gorgeous. Really, really pretty little star charm. So that is my one and only, and even though it's double strand, it's still, in my opinion, minimalist. So that completes our necklaces, friends. So then for earrings, what I have done is I made these and posted this actually a day or two ago. These with the beading chain and that rainbow crystal. And I think that's 2 inches on just some kidney ear wires. Those are super, super cute. And then these, I made a similar pair in the same video a couple of days ago, but these are, I talked about using the same little pretty purple, this lavender flower bead and that bicone. I talked about it while I was making that. I made another pair with the gold beading chain. And I talked about, oh, you can replace if you don't have beading chain and just use 3 links of some regular chain, and that's in a jump ring. And that's exactly what I did here. So those are, I still feel, even though they're kind of, I guess, a dangle. I guess honestly, it's a dangle earring, but it is minimalist to me. There's just, it's not a lot going on. So there's those 2 pairs. I think definitely think that allows itself to be in the minimalist category. And so there's those 2 pair, and those are really fun. And so I'll take those off the mannequin, and we'll move on to, I already showed you the Southwest set. We'll move on to these I also made on camera with those other 2 pair, and that's just a simple little white dangle with a little silver flower spacer, and very simplistic. They're a little white crackle bead with kind of like a gold vein to it, but they're like they're kind of like a rondelle faceted. So they do have a little bit of sparkle in them, but they're very simple. And you can wear them with just about basically everything. So it's a nice little minimalist everyday pair of earrings, I feel. Those are super cute. If you watched my video on the minimalist earrings, then you saw those 3 pairs there. And so then my favorite pair, you guys, are these here. I've got the little earring backings on them. Let me pull the little rubber backs off of them so I can put them on the mannequin here and show you, because these are just absolutely sensational. So these are my minimalist crystal drop earrings. These crystals are absolutely insane. They are just stunning. And as you can see, they're faceted. They have every color that I can think of that they're picking up. And they're a very interesting shape, right? And I don't know where I picked these up either, but I couldn't even make a necklace. I only had 2 in the package, or else I'd have made a beautiful necklace. Maybe I'll try to find them again. But they're just in a beautiful shape, and they're just so simple and just absolutely beautiful. And you can just about dress anything up with those because of like that AB finish, that rainbow finish. And they're faceted, as I said. So those are my favorite. And I just put those on a gold kidney ear wire. Just a standard gold kidney ear wire. And so that's that pair. And then my last 2 pair of minimalist earrings are my take on, I've got the little rubber backings on them. Let me pull them off. Just my take again on just some minimalist silver, like leaf type charms. And this was part of when I got a bunch of stuff for my Southwest, to make my Southwest collection, I had picked these up. And so these are leaves, but minimalist, right? So these are really cute little leaf bead. And these are a little bit longer. They're probably about 1.5 inches, and a different type of a leaf. Let me pull them up because I can't get them to stop jiggling. And then maybe I'll give you a better look. So how cute is that? Just a cute little leaf. It has kind of a little bend in it. They're super, super darling. They're just really simplistic. Very simple little earring. And this one is a little bit longer, but also, you know, simple. I feel like it's simple and understated. And it's a kind of like an interesting leaf shape on that one as well. And I just put those also on the kidney ear wires. And so that is it, friends. Um, as you can obviously tell, we're done with show and tell with our minimalist collection this week. And there were no bracelets because I have sold out of the few that I made. I had half a dozen or so made, but they sold out. And as I just mentioned to you, I have run out of some of my favorite chain. So I'm waiting on my order of chain to come in. So no bracelets in today's collection, but that's okay because it also still turned out really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you see anything that you like in the showcase today, I'll put a link in the description to my store where you can purchase any of these items. And that's it for Show and Tell Saturday for December 2nd. I can't believe you guys, we're less than a month out from Christmas now. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a blessed Saturday. Thank you so much for tuning in again. And we will see you next time, friends. Be blessed.